feel very tired today. Whoa, my head feels strange. Hey, sister. Are you okay? Oh, no. You look very sick. Oh, no. Your forehead feels so hot. I feel very bad right now. I cannot stand up. Sister, what is wrong with you? Oh, my God. What should I do now? I need to call Mom and Dad. Mom, Dad, Sister feels very hot and she fainted. Oh no! Stay calm, Ben!
We cannot come home now. I will call Phil to help you.
But what should I do now?
Stay calm and take care of your sister. We will come home soon.
Ben.
Sorry, Ben and Lena. We love you.
I will take care of you. Do not be scared. I am here with you.
Ben! I am here now. Let me check her fever first. Do not worry. Lena has a small fever.
Do you see the word fever? Read with me. Fever. Fever. Fever.
Fever means your body temperature is hotter than usual because you are sick.
She needs to rest at home and drink water.
Ben, I will buy more medicine for your sister. Mix this medicine with water and give it to her first, okay?
Okay.
Use the right amount for your sister, okay? Can you take care of your sister for a while?
Okay, I can do it. There is nothing to worry about. I will be Dr. Ben for Sister Lena. Say the word doctor loudly with me. Doctor. 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 Doctor means a person whose job is to take care of and help sick or hurt people get well. Oh, Mom puts a towel on my head when I am sick. I will get a towel for my sister now. My sister feels very hot, so a very cold towel can help her feel better. I need more ice for the cold water. Whoa. This towel is very cold, but it can help my sister. Here, this will make you feel better. It's too cold. Ben, take this towel away. It is too cold.
Oh no. What should I do now?
Oh, Uncle Phil gave me this medicine. My teacher said sick people need more water. Oh, I can mix this medicine into a big bottle. My sister can drink more and get better fast. Read the word medicine with me. Medicine. 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 Medicine means something like a pill or liquid that you take to feel better when you are sick. Wow! This is a lot of water for my sister. Sister, drink this water first. Okay. I will drink it. Good job. Drink one more cup. Ugh. I feel very full now. Come on, patient Lena. Drink more and get better fast. Oh, no. I cannot drink more. Now say the word patient with me. Patient. 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 Patient means a person who is getting medical care from a doctor or hospital because they are sick. Blur! Oh no! Sister, what happened? I gave you medicine. Ugh, I feel very tired. Oh no, my sister looks more tired now. What should I do now? Oh, Mom made porridge for me when I was sick.
Ben, eat some porridge first. Sick people can eat porridge easily.
I will make super porridge for my sister. Okay. First, I need rice. This looks easy. But how much water do I need for porridge? Maybe my sister knows. She is sick, but I can ask one small question. Sister, how much water do I need?
Just use more water.
Okay, I know. Just rest. I will cook porridge for you. Okay. The porridge is ready now. Should I use big fire or small fire? Let's read the word porridge together. Porridge. 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 Porridge means a hot food made from grain, often eaten for breakfast or when you are sick. My sister is sick. But maybe I can ask one more question. Sister, big fire or small fire?
Use medium fire.
Okay, I know now. The porridge will be ready soon. You can rest now. Yay! I can use the stove now. La la la. I will make yummy vegetable porridge for my sister. Do I need to peel this carrot? Maybe I can ask my sister one more time. Sister, do I need to peel the carrot?
Yes.
Okay, you can rest now. Sister, how much salt do I need?
Just a little.
Oh no, this piece is too big and this piece is too small. Sister, how do I cut the vegetables? Ugh, I will help you. Whoa, my head hurts. Sister, are you okay? I think I made you more tired.
Ben, I am back with medicine and hot soup.
Oh.
Oh my God! What happened here?
I only wanted to help my sister, but I made her feel worse. It's okay.
Haha. Ben, you worked very hard. Sick people need warm water, rest, and the right medicine. Now you can feed your sister. I will make the medicine and help you finish the porridge, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Here, sister. Eat slowly, okay?
This tastes good. Eat more, sister. You will feel better soon. Oh, I feel much better now.
Ha! Ben looks so messy. He fell asleep, but he still holds the towel. Thank you, Ben. You really took care of me today. I think I am all better now. I feel very good. Oh no, my head feels strange. Oh my God. Ben, your forehead is very hot. Oh no, now I need to take care of patient Ben.
Let's learn some fun new words today. Can you say the word fever with me? Fever, fever, fever. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Medicine, medicine, medicine. Patient, patient, patient. Porridge, porridge, porridge. Now let's read out loud together one more time. Fever, doctor, medicine, patient, porridge. Are you confident that you remember all the new words today? Practice hard every day. Money. Oh no, we spent too much money. We only have $200 now. Hey, you bought clothes before, so the money went away fast. Mom, we spent all the money at home.
What? You spent all $1,000 already?
Hi everyone. I used all my mom's money. Watch the next episode to see my plan. Hey lovely friends, give us a like, share, and sub. Our self-made journey is super fun. Stay with us.